Mabuhay. Maayong gabi sa tanan akong followers, viewers, and supporters. Guys, this is Alexi. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Na ako karon din sa church namo. Katatapos lang sa muang prayer meeting. So, currently, we are taking our dinner. I am very grateful and I am very happy. My heart is rejoicing tonight because gibirthdayan ko sa kauban sa mga church. This one. Hello!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you, Kuya Rode.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Ate Lisa, sa naghatag sa birthday cake and the rest of the members.
Alexia, asa din iwa o nimo?
Ha?
Asa din iwa o